First of all, let me explain what SSL VPN is and how it works. An SSL VPN allows a web browser to securely access multiple network services that are not just web-based via a tunnel. These services could be proprietary networks or software built for corporate use only that cannot be accessed directly via the internet. The difference between a normal VPN and an SSL VPN is that while normal VPNs uses IPsec and allows users to connect remotely to an entire network and all its applications, SSL VPNs give users remote tunneling access to a specific system or application in a network. Fortinet has said that unknown attackers exploited a FortiOS SSL VPN zero-day vulnerability and attack against government organizations and government-related targets. The discovered Windows sample attributed to the attacker displayed artifacts of having been compiled on a machine in the UTC-8 time zone, which includes Australia, China, Russia, Singapore, and other Eastern Asian countries, said the researchers. The said attack was described as a heap-based buffer overflow in several versions of FortiOS that could be exploited by remote, unauthenticated attackers to execute code or commands via crafted requests and gain code execution. In addition, the modus operandi reveals the use of obfuscation to thwart analysis as well as advanced capabilities to manipulate FortiOS logging and terminate logging processes to remain undetected. It searches for log files, which are logs of events in FortiOS. After decompressing them in memory, it searches for a string the attacker specifies, deletes it, and reconstructs the logs the researchers added. As of January of this year, the vulnerability has been patched out and Fortinet advised customers to immediately upgrade to a patched version of FortiOS to block attack attempts and reach out to Fortinet support if they find indicators of compromise linked to the December attacks. With that being said, the lesson to take here is that, even with a trusted and paid VPN, users are not 100% safe and anonymous from malicious attacks. This is further amplified to free VPNs as a majority of them is monetized through tracking you in some way, such as cookies, web beacons, and tracking pixels to record where you go online. So if you were ever to use a VPN, choose one that is trusted and has robust security measures and frequent updates or patches. Stay safe in the net and always be mindful of your digital footprint.